guys, it is I think Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, and my grandma and grandpa are coming to pick me up soon at my house. I'm still here. And I'm gonna go to the beach house for the night just cause it's boring here. And here comes my kitty. He wanted to be in the vlog. Hi, say hi, baby. Oh, he's so cute. But yeah, and they said that they were gonna go to job lot, so they're like, "Cool, we're gonna pick you up." And I was like, "Okay." I don't know if you guys have seen the commercial, but Pop-Tarts has peanut butter flavored Pop-Tarts right now. Not right now, but now they just came out with these. And my stepdad bought them, and good thing I came at the right time because he ate all 11 out of 12 of these Pop-Tart packages. And I didn't get any yet. And neither did my mom. He ate all 11 of them. So I'm going to eat the last one. And I never had this before, so I'm going to try it. This is literally peanut butter. Oh my god. I love peanut butter. Got some fries. Hi, Graham. Alright. Ooh, here comes the frenzy. Food! Anyone? Oh. Anybody? Food! Food! Not. Oh, the little birdie's gonna take the big fries. Look at him with the big, huge fry. Seagull! Hey! Yes, Seagull! Come here! You're so dumb. The birds are smarter than the seagulls. Where did the fada go? Where did the fada go? Hi! Hi, buddy! Oh, I'm so close to him. Birdies! Ah, there one is. Over here, stupid. Okay, bye. Hi. Hello.
If you want to go later, we can.
They must be crazy going out there right now. Here we go. Oh, magic! Do it again. Can you do it again? Nope, you can't do it again. I like this one because he looks so excited about life. Aww, they're so cute. Coochie coochie coo. It's the worst song ever. From the ice inside your soul. I hate it so much.
You sang it 3 years ago.
I can't do this.
Where's the jar? Where's the jar of hearts?
I get it. Running around leaving scars. Granny, pop the bag. That was weak. You're terrible at this.
Alright, where are they?
Supposed to make a big popping noise. You did bad.
I don't have a thing.
Crispy round.
Yeah, is that them?
Bite size.
No, I don't
They
like
were all the
them.
same thing. Scoops.
Which ones do you like?
Probably the crispy rounds.
Yeah, they look better.
Or the scoops, but you don't want multigrain.
Multigrain is better.
Picking out chips. Look at these glam gloves. Glam gloves. They're so glam. Grammy, aren't these so glam? than I am?
No.
No?
Alright, so we got.
I think throughout the day today, my hair has gotten higher and higher to the top of my head.
There's that kind of Lucy's here.
This is my hair. Hi, baby.
This one's got the butt.
Yeah, you're right. This one's baby. She doesn't look worried. Because she's more shy. Yes. You're cutie. I do. What's pretty? This is my journey.